Look at this mac and cheese. Oh my goodness. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. And if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe and that little bell twice and you won't miss any of the future videos I have coming up. Well, I have been so busy, as I'm sure all of you have, preparing for the holidays, and I've been making a lot of holiday desserts. So I thought, with all the running around we're doing and everybody's just short of time, I'm going to make something for you today that's so easy and you can throw it together in a heartbeat for maybe a dinner or a lunch when your busy schedule allows. So, you say, Diva, what are we making today? Well, we are making a dump and bake mac and cheese. And when you see how easy this is, you won't believe it. I mean, who doesn't like mac and cheese? I don't know. I like it. I could eat it every day. I don't, but I could. So anyway, let's get started. First thing I did was I'm preheating my oven to 325 degrees. And as always, I'll put the recipe down below in the description box for you. So what are we going to need next? Well, we're going to need a 9x13 baking pan. I happen to have a glass one here. You can use any kind you like. And we're going to spray it. So let me give that a little spray. Get the sides and the bottom sprayed. Whoops. And for those of you that are new here, I make all kinds of desserts, and I make sweet, I make savory dishes. Whoops, there's my oven, it's all preheated. And I might make things that everybody can make. Simple, delicious, and easy. So I sprayed my pan. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my dry macaroni to this. Now, I happen to have had a box here of elbow macaroni. This happens to be a 2-pound box. It's what I picked up. So, you're going to need 2.5 cups of elbow macaroni. I measured it and I put it in here. So you're going to add the dried elbow macaroni to your sprayed dish. Woo! I also like to have fun on my channel when I can. So, if you follow me, you might see me a little cray-cray at times, but that's okay, right? You can have fun and bake too. And you can even have your kids help you make this. That's how easy it is. So, I poured my macaroni into the casserole dish. Now, I'm going to pour some melted butter over this. I've already melted my butter. I have 5 tablespoons of melted butter here. So let me pour this all over the macaroni. Here we go. And I'm going to add a little salt and pepper to this. Okay. Put a little pepper in there. Whoopsie. Be better if I take the top off, right? Sure. And then I'm going to stir it until it's evenly coated. We want the elbow macaroni to be coated with the butter. So let's just give this a stir. Easy so far, right? Yep. Okay. Alrighty. I love these dump and bake or dump and go recipes. I already have a couple of others on my channel. If you missed them, go back and see them. I have a fettuccine Alfredo one, or a chicken Alfredo, and I have a pasta and meatball one. And everybody in my family loves them, and they're super easy to make. Alright, so let me push this aside. Now, I'm going to put a cutting board here, and we are going to need Velveeta cheese. Now, I bought a block of Velveeta cheese. I'll put a picture in so you can see it. And you're gonna need, the block I bought was 2 pounds. All the supermarkets sell it. You're gonna need 3/4 of a pound of Velveeta cheese. And I've seen this recipe done where they take the big block of cheese and plop it in the middle. I prefer to do it this way. So I'm gonna cut this into maybe 6 slices. Velveeta cheese melts really well. That's why I like to use it in this recipe. And you know, you can buy mac and cheese in the store. You can sometimes get it on sale. You can buy those little cups that go in the microwave, but they don't compare to this, no. Or you can buy the boxed macaroni and cheese that's made with Velveeta cheese. But this is nice and fresh, right out of the oven. Can't beat it. So let me push these aside and bring my casserole dish over here. Now I'm gonna lay my Velveeta slices right on top of the pasta, the macaroni. I'm Italian. I never grew up calling it pasta. We call it macaroni. All right, so just space them out. You can do like 2 here, 2 in the middle, and then 2 on the side. Oh, I have an extra one. Well, I don't want to waste it. I'll stick that in the middle too. You really probably only need 6, but whatever, there. Now, what are we gonna do next? We need 4 cups of whole milk, not 1, I forgot. I took the lid off it. Oh, Dolores. Yes, for those of you that are new, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up on the screen. Let me get a dish towel. Oh. The lid fell off on the floor and the milk squirted on me. So this is a quart, and a quart is 4 cups, and you need 4 cups of whole milk. So I'm gonna pour it right on the top of here. There we go. All right. I mean, it couldn't be any easier, right? You could have a child do this with a little supervision. I'm not making a mess. Here we go. No messes allowed. All right, now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna bake it in my 325 degree oven for 45 minutes. And then I will take it out in 45 minutes. I'll stir it, and then I'm gonna put it back in for another 30 minutes. And when I'm done doing that, I'll show you what this masterpiece looks like, and we will do a taste testing. So don't go away. Okay, I just took it out of the oven after the 45 minutes. Now I'm gonna stir it. Give it a nice stir. You can see I'm getting all the cheese mixed in, the milk. Get everything combined, just like this. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for, let me see, another 30 minutes. And then it will be done. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay, look at that. All right, I'll see you in 30. Well, it's time for a taste testing. And like I told you, everyone loves this. Look who came running as soon as I took it out. Hi to everybody, Lucas.
Hi.
Hi, all right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see, let me see your dish. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Much better than that stuff in the box, right? Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very hot. I'm gonna have a little taste testing too. Let's see. Blow on it. Let's see. This is a TikTok. What would you call it? A TikTok?
Recipe.
A TikTok. I don't know. A recipe we got from TikTok, right? Let's see.
TikTokacy.
What do you think?
Good.
Good. Oh my. I like this macaroni and cheese. Dump and bake. Don't forget to subscribe, and best of all, make it. Lucas and I are gonna, it's hot. Lucas and I are gonna enjoy our mac and cheese. And don't forget, make it, and best of all, come back if you want to see more of these yummy recipes. So, thanks for watching. Love you all. Right, Lucas? We're going to eat. Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. 2 thumbs up. Do you give it 2 thumbs up?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up.